Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a Gantt chart in Monday.com. To start off, navigate to your chosen project and click on the Add View button. Choose the Gantt view from the list. Now this is important because the Gantt view gives you an overview of your project timeline and how tasks are progressing. Once you've done that, you'll see an empty Gantt chart. Now it's time to add tasks. Click on the Add Group button and type in your task or group name. After adding all your tasks, assign them to team members. The reason we do this is to allocate responsibilities and keep everyone in the loop. Next up, set the task duration. Simply click on the task and drag the blue handles to set the start and end dates. This helps us visualize when tasks should start and end, aiding in better project planning. Now let's talk dependencies. Tasks that rely on others to be completed first. On the task line, click on the circle at the end, drag it to the dependent task. This creates a visible line connecting them. It's crucial because it ensures tasks are completed in the correct order. Finally, customize the chart to suit your needs. Click on the three dots on the top right, then Settings. Here you can tweak the appearance, visibility of weekends, and other settings. Customization allows the chart to be more useful and personalized to your project. And that's it. You've just created a Gantt chart in Monday.com. Remember, a well-structured Gantt chart can be a game changer for project management, helping you stay organized and on track. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy charting.